In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct deposit with Sofi. Setting up direct deposit is a convenient way to ensure your paycheck is automatically transferred into your bank account without the hassle of manual deposits. Not only does it save time, but it also helps in managing your finances more efficiently. Today, I'll guide you through this straightforward process to get you set up in no time. To begin, navigate to the Sofi website or open the Sofi app on your mobile device. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Set up Direct Deposit. This is essentially the starting point of our process. You may need to log into your account if you haven't already, so make sure you have your credentials ready. After accessing the direct deposit section, you'll find an option called Step by Step How to Set Up Direct Deposit with Sofi. Click on this option. It's here where you'll be guided through the steps, making sure you have all the necessary information and a clear understanding of what you need to do. Once you've clicked on the step-by-step instructions, you'll notice that setting up direct deposit with Sofi is quite straightforward. The guide is designed to walk you through each stage, ensuring that you don't miss any crucial detail. Pay close attention to the details provided in this guide, as these will ensure you complete the setup correctly. Now, if you've followed along correctly, you'll reach a stage where additional steps might be required based on your employment situation. Some employers have specific forms or additional information they may ask you to provide. So, let's click on if your employer requires you to input details manually. This will provide guidance for filling out any forms and entering any particular details your employer might need for security and processing purposes. In conclusion, setting up direct deposit with Sofi is a smooth process when you take it step by step. Remember, ensuring all information is accurately entered is key to avoiding any potential issues. This direct deposit setup allows for convenient and timely transactions straight into your account, providing peace of mind knowing your funds are safely and promptly deposited. As always, if you encounter any challenges or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Sofi's support team for assistance. They are always there to help. That wraps up our guide on setting up direct deposit with Sofi. I hope you found this helpful and that you feel confident in completing the process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guides. Happy banking!